Hello, my name is Rebecca. I'm a certified veterinary technician for BluePearl Pet Hospital. Today we're going to talk about how to give pills to cats. Make sure that the medication is stored in the way that your veterinarian has instructed you to store it, as well as you're giving it the way that your veterinarian has told you to give it. That sometimes includes giving it while wearing gloves. When you're ready to give your pet its pill, just make sure you have some home comforts, like a favorite toy, maybe a blanket or a towel, and then that you have the items you can give the pill with, be it something like a pill pocket that you can wrap around and give it as a treat, or if you have to give the pill directly, something like a pill popper, and then to follow up the medication, either a treat or some of their food. Some medications require the use of gloves when handling. For this instance, I'm going to put on gloves to handle the medication. When you're ready to handle the medication, just make sure that you have what you're going to be putting it into ready as well. So for this instance, we're going to be using some wet cat food. Just take a small amount of the cat food, place the pill in the middle of the food, and kind of smush it around the pill. Another option you have is making the pill something like a treat. So for this instance, you'll just take the pill, place it in the middle of the pill pocket, and wrap the material around the pill. If you're unable to give your pet medication in treats or food, another option you have is a pill popper. This can be really nice because you simply place the pill into the top, hold your fingers directly in the middle of the circles, press the plunger, and the pill will come out. When you're ready to give the medication, it's really important to make sure that your animal is facing in front of you. That way that you have the best visualization of where you're giving the pill, as well as you're comfortable and the animal is comfortable. When you're ready to give the medication with the pill popper and you're done loading it, you're just going to take them by the gums near the canine teeth, open their bottom jaw, make sure you get that over the base of the tongue and give. Just keep in mind, if you do have to give your cat a large pill or a dry pill, sometimes it can get stuck in their throat a little bit. You can follow this up with a little bit of water in a syringe to make it easier for them to swallow. For that, you're just going to pick a side, go into their cheek pouch, and just kind of slowly give them water in a syringe. Once you've given your animal the medication, just make sure that they've actually swallowed it. Oftentimes they'll lick their nose. Another thing to keep in mind when you're giving your animal medications is that sometimes they may not like it and they may be a little reactive to what you're trying to do. In that instance, you may have to have a friend come and help you hold them. If your animal doesn't like to be medicated, but they do have a spot in the house that they really like to be in, sometimes you can wrap them in a blanket or a towel and medicate them that way. If you have to give multiple medications at home, another option that you have is getting the medication compounded. That also applies if the pill might be a little bit large for your pet. It's important to remember when you're giving your animal medication that you're comfortable and they're comfortable. If you're worried your animal didn't receive the proper dose, don't hesitate to contact your veterinarian.